Don't let precious rainwater go to waste. Rainwater harvesting is the answer to saving water, money, and of course, the environment. And you can do it all in one go. It's free, pure, and perfect for everyday tasks in and around the garden and the home. Water your plants, take a shower, or even top up your pool, all with water collected from your roof. And with the right filtration, you can use it for cooking and drinking too. Getting started is really easy. Install gutters to collect rain, direct the rain into a tank, and there you have it, your own free personal water supply. For small-scale use, use rain barrels placed under gutters. Will work wonders for the garden. And if you want to go bigger, you can set up channels to collect the water. Even consider permeable surfaces which will then collect the water and be able to store it. That is the way to save even more. And would you believe it if I told you that for every 1 millimeter of rain that falls on 1 square meter of roof, you'll collect 1 liter of water. That's a big saving for you and a win for the environment. So stop relying on expensive municipal water. Catch the drops and start rainwater harvesting today. Get more top tips and water-wise plants at your local GCA garden centre. Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to find a garden centre near you.